conversations from the Microsoft Ignite conference. I'm your host, Anna Gonzalez, and joining me now is Margie Gradwohl. She's the Director of Partner Marketing at newly listed Docusign. Welcome.
Thank you very much, and thank you for the newly listed. Yes, it's true.
Yep, welcome to the family. It's so good to see you in Orlando, following a fantastic IPO day back in April at MarketSite. What brings you to the conference today?
Well, Microsoft is a huge partner of ours. They're very strategic for us. We do many things with them. So one of the things is we want to showcase how we're integrated with them in the different product lines. So Office 365, Dynamics, and Azure. So really excited to be here.
Yeah, so tell me, for most people know Docusign, it's for the important moments in your life that you sign from like a consumer perspective. But tell us more about like what you guys do on the enterprise level and how you're partnering with Microsoft.
Great. So as you know, yes, we are the global leader when it comes to e-signature. But what's really cool about what Docusign is doing now is we're creating a new category called System of Agreement. So most companies are already doing it. You know, they're preparing their documents, they're signing them, they need to act on them to make sure they actually took place, and then they need to manage them. So we're literally creating a new category. So it's super exciting, and as you know, we just acquired Spring CM as well. So that even makes our story even more impactful.
And so, I mean, when you even think about Docusign, and we can talk about the larger industry as well, you know, we think about, okay, you went, it's kind of a funny story for Docusign, because you're definitely analog first signatures, and then now electronic. But what else have you seen evolve in this space over the last, let's say, 10 years?
Well, we definitely have a couple competitors, but the key thing for us is, you know, we have 6 times the amount of users. So we are signing up literally 300 unique users a day. So for us, it's our bread and butter. It's what we've grown up with. So we really feel comfortable in this space.
And when you think about the future and where you guys are headed, what excites you most?
Well, a couple of things is one really cool thing too about being here is seeing all the different solutions. And so there's a lot of what we call third-party solutions. And so for Microsoft, they then are going to be extending their channel to then sell those solutions. So we are really excited to be part of that. They have their modern marketplace, which will be launching this next year, and we're going to be one of those SKUs launching to 60,000 of their partners. So for us, that's really exciting. Another thing that's exciting is that we're on other marketplaces such as Ingram's as well as AppDirect. So it's going to be super exciting to see what the future holds and how Microsoft really could be a leader in figuring out what it takes then to get those sellers to start reselling these solutions. So really excited to see that.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So let's shift gears a little bit. Okay, go into a lightning round.
Yep. Oh no.
What app can you not live without?
Probably Waze. I'm loving Waze, mostly from a commute perspective about if you're trying to figure out which route to take. So it's a fantastic app.
And what's the coolest tech you use in your office?
I love Microsoft Teams. So I love being able to collaborate with everybody, share documents, assign tasks. It's great.
You know, it's funny. Multiple people have said that so
have
far.
They? Okay.
Yes, and I'm just like, I think I'm going to have something to take back to the office here.
Yes.
So what do you like to do when you're not working?
When I'm not working, I love hot yoga. My husband's a high school football coach, so I'm at Friday night. I am Friday Night Lights. So Friday night, you can find me at a high school football game.
That's great. And so, Margie, for people who are interested in the field and the industry, and hopefully one day want to be where you are, what advice do you have for the next generation coming up?
I think keep curious. It's so exciting to see where this space is going and to keep learning, asking questions. So I think that's my best advice is just keep curious.
Margie, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having us.
And thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more conversations happening at the Microsoft Ignite conference in Orlando.